In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 essential steps that will help you become a much more effective active listener. And these 4 steps, when applied, will help you become a much more effective listener, not only in your professional life, but in your personal life as well. The first step is simply to hear them out. And what that means is to suspend your own desire to interject, to add what you want to the conversation, and rather listen to what they have to say without interruption. The second step is to offer nonverbal cues that you are in fact listening. A critical component of effective listening is literally showing the other person that you are in fact listening. And you can do that through vocal utterances. Things like yeah, I hear you. And also through eye contact, head gestures, nodding of the head. Those are examples of nonverbal cues that show the other person that you are in fact listening to what they're saying. The third step is to acknowledge the other person's perspective or the other person's position. And it doesn't mean that you agree with them, but what it is indicating to the other individual is that you are respecting the fact that they have their own viewpoint or their own position, even though it might be different than your own. The fourth step is to seek to understand what it is that they are actually saying. Now, while the first step was to listen and to show that they were listening, gathering information, this fourth step is really built around trying to glean deeper and deeper understanding of what they're trying to communicate to you. And you do this by asking them questions. Questions built on things that they say, open-ended questions like, tell me more, can you expand on that? Can you tell me how you came up with that position or that idea or that perspective? And there you have it. 4 simple strategies that will help you become a much more effective active listener. Number 1, hear them out. Number 2, show them nonverbal cues that you are in fact listening. Number 3, acknowledge their position, their perspective, even though it may be different than yours. And number 4, seek to understand where they're coming from to a deeper level. Good luck. If you found this tip useful, I've got lots more. Check out my website, www.johngodoy.com, or visit my YouTube channel, John Godoy Videos.